Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to take a few minutes to show you how to locate books and ebooks using the Library OneSearch tool. We've covered how to use the library catalog. Again, use the library catalog for a little more precise searching. However, if you're just trying to get an idea of what's out there and find an ebook or book, the OneSearch tool works a little better for that. Just as a reminder, if you go under Research, in the pull-down menu and go to Books and Media, you can view all the ebook collections that the library owns. Many of them will come up in the OneSearch tool, but not all of them. And I just wanted to make you aware that if you're doing some in-depth research and you need some subject-specific books, this is a good place to go. For example, we have a humanities ebook collection. We have a nursing ebooks collection. We have something called Safari books, which are mostly technology and digital media, engineering and business. And we also have Springer ebooks, which are highly academic and technical books. So just an idea. Again, if you go under Research, Books and Media, ebook collections, you can take a look at what we have there if you're not getting good results using the catalog or OneSearch. So let's go back to OneSearch. OneSearch is what we call the library Google. A lot of people hate when we say that, but it's the closest thing we have. So what it is it's a search tool that searches across all of our EBSCO databases, which is our largest number of databases, as well as some of our other databases. Since OneSearch is an EBSCO product, most of the EBSCO databases are really easy to find. The ones that link to other databases, you might have to click through an extra step or two, but it will still take you there. So it can be very useful. So I'm just going to do a quick search, just a quick keyword search like you would on Google. Let's say opioid abuse. I think someone in the class is doing that as their topic. So I'm going to go ahead and click search. As we get into using the databases, we'll be working with the advanced search feature, but for now I just want to take a quick look at this. So you can see that we have 205,662 results. That's quite a bit. Now I know a lot of you are just going to start, oh, look at all this great stuff, look at all this great stuff. For this exercise we're doing in this class, you must find books and ebooks. So you don't want to start looking through all these yet. Plus 205,000 is a lot. Not on Google, but searching library resources, it's a bit unmanageable. So I just want to quickly show you how to narrow it down. If you click on full text, and then if you scroll down and click on books. Now this books one will pick up books and ebooks, so you don't need to click this also. It's something we're working on, but if you feel better doing it, then you can click on both. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then finally, I'm going to narrow down by year. I don't really want to go back to the 60s, so I'm just going to use the last 10 years. You may make a different choice. So taking a look at our results, we're down to just a little over 6,000, a little better. The very first one says that it's a book and that it's available in the Oceanside Campus Library, and it has a call number so you can find it on the shelf, and that it's in the stacks, which means circulating books that you can check out. So if you're interested in that book, you won't be able to read it online, but you can click retrieve catalog item, and then you can put it on hold with your surf ID and password and pick it up at either Oceanside Campus or San Elijo Campus. So that's an example of a print book that you can find using this tool. So at this point, once you look at it, you have to actually physically go get it. If we scroll down one, it says ebook. So we know it's an ebook and it's available with our surf ID and password. For this unit, you're expected to find a book or ebook. So if you choose an article or something else, then you won't get points for that because they're very clearly marked book or ebook. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on the title. One quick thing, there's a little bit of a description so you know if it's what you want. If you look down the subject areas, this sort of tells me that this might be a book for people in the medical field or health field. so about pain management. But in any case, let's take a look at it. Again, while you collect keywords, you can look at these and use them. Let's go ahead and look at the book. Clicking on PDF full text. So here is the table of contents. So I can just briefly go through it and see if there's something I want. I can look at the index. One of the things I like about eBooks is you can search within them. So I'm going to search within this book, and I want to look at addiction. So what comes up, there were 94 matches, and this shows which chapters and pages, where addiction is mentioned. So I can click on that, and it takes me directly to the point in the book that I need. Okay, so as far as using these, you do need to read them online, or you can save the pages to your computer, you can email the pages, or you can print pages. Unfortunately, with ebooks, most of them, the publisher puts some restrictions on, so it may only let you print 10 pages. So you may have to close it and open it again and go back to it and print some more pages. It's just a restriction by the publisher, not by the library. Okay. Finally, I do want to point out the cite function. You're going to love this. In this class, we're doing APA and MLA. Here's APA. You can copy and paste that, or MLA. However, be forewarned that often these are incorrect. So you are required to fix them according to the MLA or APA manual or handout that we have. These are computer generated and they're often wrong. So feel free to copy and paste them into your works cited or references page, but know that you will probably have to do some tweaking on them to get them right. Okay, I just want you to know that. So let me go back. I should mention too that when you use an ebook and you want to get back to it, do not use this link up here. You need to use the permalink, which is this right here. It's much shorter, and this will take you directly back to it. You may have to log in again. So this one never works in databases. That's a dynamic URL, meaning it changes. This one is a stable URL or permalink. Finally, you can also download the article to your Google Drive if you have that. You can create a folder, and when you're done, you can send them all to yourselves. Again, here's the cite function. You can save, you can email. But again, a whole ebook won't come to you. You're going to have to use the link to get back into it. So I hope that explains it a little bit. So let me just go back quickly to our library page. And just as a reminder, to find a book or ebook, you can go to the library catalog, or you can search the ebook collections, or you can use OneSearch. But you will have to narrow it down. You must make sure that you're getting a book or an ebook. I hope that helps. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.